short on time, so we will be just having 4 table topics. So one, Toastmaster Mohit. No, today not. Okay. So raise your hand. It's a fastest finger first. Take your opportunity. 4 people, 4 volunteer. I want.
Remember, become comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Good. 2 more, please.
I think I'll do.
3. 1 more.
Yeah.
Okay, done. Thank you for volunteering or being voluntold to do that. So, as we explained, the toast table topics are kind of impromptu speeches. However, you all are guests who have volunteered, so I'm giving you a bit of opportunity. Try to structure your thought. So, I'm going to ask you speak on your favorite color for 1 to 2 minutes. So, let me help you give some structure of how table topics are. It's try to open with a catchy statement, with a question or something bold which really catches audience attention. Second, in your body of the table topic, presentation or speech, try to use the power of 3, like 3 points while I like this, 1, 2, 3. And in the end, try to conclude it. Simple? So, I will tell you. So, meantime, while the sir will be presenting, sorry, I don't know the name.
My name is Chandan Pahal.
Chandan,
yes.
Chandan, I will address you. So, the topic is you have to choose your color, favorite color. The rest of you have still a bit of time, maybe 2-3 minutes. You can draft your table topic accordingly. Usually, we do not do this format, but for today, we are doing it. Otherwise, table topic are fully impromptu. Got it? For you, it is like an impromptu thing.
Yeah, definitely.
So
I will have to speak about my favorite color.
Tell me your favorite color. I will announce the topic for you. That will be the topic.
Blue colors.
Okay. So Toastmaster Chandan, blue.
Yes. So as of you know, I have wear the blue color as well. This is my favorite color since childhood. So I'll tell you a story sometime because at the one time in the market, I with my friend we were walking. So there was a girl who was wearing the blue color. So he asked me, "What is your blue? What is your favorite color?" I shoutly told that this is blue. See, he's saying that what's the girl that tell me what is. I was shouting and he told that the girl was wearing the blue color. That is what you are saying, or is actually a blue color? I told him that this is actually my favorite color, blue. Why this is? Because I love the nature and adventures. The blue color is sea is the blue color and sky is the color blue. So that is the close to my heart, and generally the boys feel that the blue color is very favorite to them. So that is I choose, and this is a professional color as well because we go into the meetings and all. So this suits the professional. So this is also the reason I choose that color. That's it. Thank you.
I think in the dictionary of males, it's only 3 colors: blue, black, and grey.
Exactly.
So, guest Mandeep, you are next. Please come on the stage. What is your favorite color? Don't say blue. That's already taken.
I don't have any particular favorite color, but if I have to choose one of the best, then I will go for black.
So, guest Mandeep, black.
I'm not wearing black.
Your shoes are.
Good. So, the black color, where we can find it mostly? Can you tell me? Where? Where have you seen? Where you have seen recently the black color?
Yes.
My hair is black.
Yes. Here. Anything else?
Shoes.
Shoes. Yes. We have clothes and we have our wardrobe in which everyone must have black color because it suits you well. Am I right? It suits you very well. So even Shah Rukh Khan was banned one time. I don't know, it's a rumor or something like that. But he was banned to wearing black shirt. Why? Because some people said girls can kill herself if he will wear the black, right? So he was looking very, sexy, you can say. So black, I really like black color. Why? Because it really it seems appealing to me, as well as if I see someone wearing black, it appeals to me as well. Thank you.
Thank you, guest Mandeep. Black indeed is a great color. I'm sure that in the next meeting, all the boys will be wearing black. Guest Rajan, right?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
I hope you are not choosing grey.
So,
Blue, black, gray.
I told you. Which color are you choosing?
Actually, it depends on my mood. So, let me explain it through my
I will give
speech.
it.
As to
Guest Rajan, color on the basis of the mood.
Multicolor.
Exactly. Mind is a wonderful thing. It keeps working and stops as soon as you stand up to give an impromptu speech, and it blacks out. So, I love all the colors. Obviously, all of us love colors according to the mood we are in. Sometimes white is something which radiates too much, and sometimes, like my friend Navdeep said, is black, which looks really, really sexy. To him, blue when you are going for official meetings, so that is blue. But in order to pick one color, I would really say is that red. I would take red as one of the favorite colors because it radiates, it brings out energy. It's a symbol of breaking the ice. I don't like red color only when I am stopped by a traffic policeman. Otherwise, I really like red. Whenever I have bought any vehicle, I have always bought a red color vehicle, and because it brings lot of energy and lot of radiation in the room. So that is why I feel that it matches with my personality. If I am going for any event or any unofficial platform, I would definitely. In fact, I always tell my wife to wear. She has got probably 10 different dresses of red color, so I would choose red as one of my favorite color. But to conclude, I love different colors according to the mood and according to the place. So with that, thank you very much.
So what a beautiful contrast he has shown. I don't like red, but I like red on my wife. So the guest Diya, you are the next and the last one. What's your favorite color? Black. Guest Diya, black.
Good evening, thank you everyone. So, as ma'am told and I told, my favorite color is black. The reason for black being my favorite color is Lord Krishna. I am very devoted to Lord Krishna, and like Lord Krishna also has his appearance in black. And I heard many rumors about people. They said wearing black in temples is not a good sign. But whenever I go to Vrindavan and to meet my Lord Krishna, I always wear black because it radiates positive energy in me, and I feel very relaxed in black color. As I am also wearing today black, because whenever I wear black, I always get a good opportunity from everywhere, and I always try to grab that opportunity. Thank you.
Guest ready, please.
Okay,
Just last one.
on the request of our president and team word, we are taking Beni. The last one for sure. I wish we could take more, but
Please.
Okay, I was not prepared.
your favorite
This is a stage fair. So, favorite color is bus blue only.
the guest Rainy, blue.
Thank you, Divya. So my name is Rini, as you guys know. So my favorite color is blue, and mostly like girls' color is pink and red and all the things. So it's always question why blue is there. So like my mother told me like why all clothes are in blue or the different shades of blue. You like blue family, other colors are also there, but still the blue is the favorite. The reason behind it, blue is like calmness or it's like a refreshing feeling. And as Chandan sir mentioned that it is a cloud colors blue, and I like rivers most, Haridwar and all the things I mean the mostly visited. So it's a ajeeb sa, it's a calmness and refreshing types of things. So that's why I like blue colors. And the funny things like ki some days before someone told me that Kundli is Rahu, you don't wear blue color. So these are the things. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Back to T-Mod.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster. Now